What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this video here, I'm super pumped for, man. This is literally the best fish I've ever caught off a beach. It's better than a big striper. This is it, man. This is the dream fish for me. It wasn't huge. It was not a huge fish, but it's a good one. They get a lot bigger there, but it's a solid fish. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, man. It was this was an awesome day. I will remember this for the rest of my life. Hope you guys have a good day. I got it. Yes, sir. We gotta get them in. There's a lot of line out. Going that way?
It's fucking holding straight out. It's not swinging.
Not moving at all?
Huh?
It's good.
I was kind of hoping it would fall over on one of these edges, but it just stays out there straight. I'm throwing 7.
Yeah, I got 6.
He's throwing a 6 and it ain't moving.
Yeah, I got 6. Alright. Yeah, bite? There he is, babe. That's a good one. Yes, sir. Oh, he's coming in. Is that you? puppy! Another small one, man. Look how pretty he is. Knew it. I gotta measure him just for little puppy. It's like 17 and a quarter. I just wanted to see how big he was and just, yeah, look. Yeah, so 17 and like a quarter. There he is, Joe. There he is, dude. No way. Dude, this is a big one, dude. Baby. Yes, sir. We gotta get him in. There's a lot of line out. Yes, sir. We gotta get them in. There's a lot of line out. Am I recording? Yes. This ain't no puppy. I think I'm over some of you guys. I may be over you. I don't know.
Come on underneath.
Yeah, come underneath me.
Yeah, come underneath.
Put your rod down. There you go.
Oh, wow, you're out on swinging around us? Yeah.
This shit is big, dude.
Walk on down if you would. Yeah, take him down there.
I'm over you. I'm over you. Yep.
There you go.
There we go. Oh man, he's
Slow.
woo!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
God
That's
damn!
a nice one.
That's him, boy! Holy shit!
Calm down, man. Put him in. There you go. Slow. Yes, sir.
God
That's a
damn!
nice one.
That's him, boy! Holy shit!
Oh my god, he's like right there. Oh my god, dude. There he is. Oh my god, it's a drum! It's a big drum! Oh my god, dude. Nah, just let me. Watch out, Britt. Watch out. Yeah, baby.
You got a leader on?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, Britt, we got him. We got him.
Woo!
Woo!
Very nice.
Ooh.
Wait, bring him in. Go to him.
Woo! Baby!
Yeah, baby! You got a leader on?
Woo! Good,
Very
good.
nice. Yes, sir! All right!
Hell yeah, look how pretty that fucking fish is, dude.
Woo!
I don't have my tape, but I ain't worried about it.
Woo! No. Wait, there's a measuring thing on my phone. Hold on. Hold on, babe.
Look at that fish, Britt.
Alright, hold on. Let me get a picture. Woo!
Very nice.
Yes, sir. Yes. Hell yeah! Look how pretty that fucking fish is, dude. I don't have my tape, but I ain't worried about it. Woo! I don't.
Wait, there's a measuring thing on my phone.
I
Hold
got
on.
a tape.
I mean, I can walk him under my cooler, but.
I got a tape for you.
Woo! Look at that fish, Britt. Wait, hold on. Let me grab this other gill.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's go up on the beach a little bit. It's all right. Just close the bail. There you go. It's 36. That's that, guys, with the tape. All right, let's get some more pics, and then we'll let them go. Hell yeah, dude. Now I'm gonna go wash them off, and we'll get some pics, all right? Great, just take pictures real quick. Don't worry about that.
That one. Take one like this. Oh shit. Good? Take one more. Alright. Yes, sir. Thanks, buddy. Here's 36. 36.
36, there you go.
Thank you, sir. Woo! Huh? 36. Wow, guys, what a morning, man. What a morning. We got that 36-inch red. Pretty awesome, man. First morning. Takes all the pressure off for the week for catching a big fish. Just down there. I'm up on the roof right now. But yeah, I'm going back out there after dinner time, probably fish until the dark. The winds, and tomorrow's gonna be beautiful. I think tomorrow we're gonna check out the Oregon Inlet, but I'll be back out on the point tonight. But yeah, let me show you guys something. This is the house we're at right now. Got very lucky. There was a nor'easter here last week or 2 weeks ago, and this whole place was, the ocean breached, and it flooded the street. You'll see what I'm talking about. There's a tractor trying to dig out some houses right now. Let me show you guys. This is our street. There was a car stuck right there. We dug it out. Crazy. The ocean just was gushing over through all these houses. Luckily our house got lucky. Check out the street. There's my Jeep. The street's still flooded and filled with sand. Like nuts. But these guys they're used to this. This happens all the time down here. These houses are built for that. And my buddy Drew's out there fishing right now. Yeah, man. Just want to let you guys know what's going on. Pretty good start to the trip.